perturbed. Meaning, feeling worried, disturbed, or upset. Synonyms: disturbed, troubled, anxious. Example: she looked perturbed after hearing the bad news. Impairment. Meaning, a condition that damages or weakens ability or function. Synonyms: disability, damage, limitation. Example: hearing impairment can affect communication. Slit. Meaning, a narrow cut or opening. Synonyms: cut, crack, narrow opening. Example: there was a small slit in the envelope. Divulge. Meaning, to reveal or make secret information known. Synonyms: reveal, disclose, expose. Example: he refused to divulge the confidential information. Repellent. Meaning, something that drives away or repels. Synonyms: deterrent, repulsive, unpleasant. Example: the spray works as an insect repellent. Advent. Meaning, the arrival or beginning of something important. Synonyms: arrival, beginning, emergence. Example: the advent of the Internet changed communication.